I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying hardware compatibility and why it matters. Thunderbolt version controls usable bandwidth, so check your port and cable. Next, confirm the enclosure fits the GPU and the PSU supplies enough watts. Insufficient power causes instability. Once done, update your laptop BIOS, Thunderbolt firmware, and the host OS drivers to ensure proper device recognition. These steps reduce connection failures and driver conflicts. Do them now so the rest of the setup proceeds smoothly without backtracking. You'll install the GPU carefully. Power down and unplug the enclosure to avoid shorts, then insert the GPU firmly into the PCIe slot until it clicks. Connect all required 6 and 8-pin power cables. Loose cables lead to boot issues. Next, close the enclosure, use a certified Thunderbolt cable, and plug into your laptop. Once connected, watch for Thunderbolt authorization prompts and accept the device. This sequence ensures stable power delivery and a trusted link, so the OS can enumerate the eGPU properly. You finish by installing the latest graphics drivers and any vendor eGPU utilities that manage hot plugging. Once installed, run a benchmark or stress test to verify performance and monitor temperatures and Thunderbolt bandwidth. This confirms the eGPU is functioning as expected. If performance is poor or device drops, try reauthorizing the Thunderbolt connection, swapping to a certified cable, or rolling back conflicting drivers. One key tip: test on another host or enclosure to isolate whether the issue is the GPU.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.